My name is Sheldon Obuch. I work at Birclar Electric Electronics, and what I do is I do motor repair for industrial maintenance. So right out of high school, I joined the military, the Army, and did 4 years. After that, I used my VA benefits, went to school, got my degree. I waited for the right opportunity for the right job and started here. In the military, I was doing equipment repair, night vision. It just kind of correlated pretty well. The teachers there, they're pretty knowledgeable, and dealing with the robotics aspects of it was pretty cool. My education gave me the fundamentals to be able to take like a jack of all trades, so they're able to put me wherever I need to be and be able to broaden my knowledge from the people that are around me. Favorite part about this industry is every day that you wake up, you never know what to expect. There's always going to be new challenges coming ahead of you. For someone to take a career path that's like mine is to just be open to new experiences